my cuties. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing fine and having fun at your home. So welcome back to Learn Forward to Hi Kids by the Gap. And in the last class, do you remember what we have learned? Does anyone remember? Okay, yes, some of you remember. Good. We did about healthy foods and unhealthy foods. So are you eating healthy ones? Yes, very good. In today's class, I will tell you about house. What is a house? House is a place where we all live. We all have a house. Okay? Like I live in my house, you live in your house. Okay? We will learn about house today. So let's start our today's class. Okay, the first topic is rooms of a house. There are different types of rooms in a house. First one is kitchen. What is the kitchen? Where your mama cooks food for you. That is kitchen. Where mama cooks healthy food for you. That is called kitchen. In kitchen, we cook food in the kitchen. Yes. हम किचन में क्या करते हैं? We prepare our meals. We prepare foods for ourselves. Okay, that is called kitchen. There we have a gas, a cylinder. Then we have this washing sink where we wash our utensils, and then we have cups, plates, and everything we have in the kitchen. Okay. Next is a bedroom. Next is our bedroom where we sleep. We sleep on the bed, right? That is called our bedroom. In bedroom, what we have? We have drawers, we have a window, we have our almirah where we keep our clothes, right? That is called bedroom. Okay. Next is bathroom. This is called bathroom where you take a shower, where you bath every day. Okay, that's a bathroom. We clean ourselves in the bathroom. We clean ourselves. We take a bath in the bathroom. Okay, so now tell me, how many of you take a bath every day? Okay, yes, we all should take a bath every day. Okay. Now next is living room. This is living room where we receive guest in the living room. हम वहाँ क्या करते हैं? जब कोई भी बाहर से गेस्ट आते हैं तो हम उन्हें वहाँ पे बिठाते हैं. Okay, these are sofas, these are tables. Okay, so our guest sits here in the living room. Okay, this is called living room. All right, so these are various rooms in our house. Next is parts of a house. Now there are different types of parts. Like first is the door. This is called the door where we enter in the house. When we want to go to a house, we enter through this door. हम इस door से ही house के अंदर जाते हैं, right? और जब हम बाहर जाते हैं स्कूल के लिए, we say bye bye mama, then we exit through the door. हम door से ही बाहर निकल जाते हैं, right? So we enter and exit through the door. Next is window. So window is very important because this is important for the air, for our breathing, for the ventilation. Okay, so window is must because through the window sunlight can enter into the house. Okay, this is the window. See, this house has many windows, right? And next is our balcony. Next is our balcony where we can keep our plants. Okay, balcony हमें हम plants भी रख सकते हैं और खुद भी हम लोग कभी कभार walk कर सकते हैं. Okay, this is called balcony, a small terrace. Okay, next is the roof. This is the roof. Roof is the top part of the house. That is called roof. Okay, जो house का ऊपर का होता है part, that is called roof. Okay, so roof is this one. It is called roof of the house. Okay. So these are four parts: door, window, balcony, and the roof. Next, there are types of houses. So houses are of different types. Okay. Now I will tell you how many types of houses are there. First one is apartments. Apartments. So in apartments there are many floors. यहाँ पे अलग अलग floors होते हैं. Okay. So in apartments many people can live together in the same apartment. In apartments many people can live, like in one floor one family lives, then second floor second family lives. तो अपार्टमेंट में बहुत सारे लोग एक साथ रह सकते हैं. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड अपार्टमेंट. इट्स टाइप ऑफ बिग बिल्डिंग. अपार्टमेंट इज अ बिग बिल्डिंग. ओके. Next is bungalow. Next is the bungalow. Bungalow is a very big house where only single family lives. जहाँ पे सिर्फ one family रहती है. That is called a bungalow. और bungalow कहाँ होते हैं? Cities में होते हैं. Okay. Bungalows are in the cities. Okay. Like this one. It is well furnished and well organized. It has everything inside. A fridge, refrigerator, bed, everything inside this bungalow. Okay. Next is the houseboat. This is called houseboat. और houseboat कहाँ होती है? On the water. Houseboats are on the water. Whenever we go for a picnic or some holiday, we can see this houseboat there. Okay. And houseboats पे हम कुछ देर के लिए बैठ सकते हैं. We can enjoy there. So houseboats कहाँ float करती हैं? Water में. Okay. Is it also a type of a house? Next is this hut. This is called hut. So hut कहाँ होती है? Villages में होती है. ठीक है. In cities we cannot find a hut. In cities we can only find bungalows. Okay. So huts are in villages which are smaller parts. Okay. Villages क्या होते हैं? जहाँ पे इतनी डेवलपमेंट इतनी पॉपुलर नहीं होता है. That is called huts. So huts are very small. It is not very big like a bungalow. It is very small. It doesn't have all the things. It doesn't have a living room. It doesn't have so many bedrooms. Just one room is there in this hut. Okay. Next is tent. It is not a house. It doesn't have anything. It doesn't have a washroom. It doesn't have a bathroom. It doesn't have a living room. It's just a tent. Whenever you go for trekking or go for a picnic, you have to place a tent like this, so where you can spend your day. Okay, that is a tent house. Okay. And the last one is igloo. This is igloo. Igloo क्या होता है? Igloo is always in the colder regions where there is ice. It is made up of ice. Okay. Igloo is made up of ice where there are very cold, very snowfall, very much ice is there. There we find this igloo. Okay. So these are various types of houses that we have learned today. Now the next thing is color the house using color code. So here are the color codes given to you and the options are mentioned here. You have to check the color codes and fill the colors here. So first I will do this second number color, that is green. Green is the code number second. So I will pick my green color from here and find out the second number. So where is second written? Over here. So I will fill green color. Okay. I will fill my green color here. Like this. Okay, you can do like this. You can take your time. And second is also written here on the grasses, because grasses are always in green in color. So you can fill in the grasses also, like this. Okay. Now I want to do number 3, that is orange color. Now let me check. Do I have an orange color? I will pick this color and do it here, like this. So you have to check the color codes and do it according to the color codes. Okay, like this. Very nice. Now find where is 3 written here? Over here. And here also. Yes. So I have done all my 3. No, 1 is left. We will fill orange color in this part of the 3. Now it's done. Okay. Next is yellow. So yellow is number 4. Yellow code is number 4. We will do yellow color here. It's 4 written here. We will do yellow here. And then where is 4? Over here also. Okay. So you will fill yellow color on the 4 parts. And then 5 is pink color. 5 is written over here. You will do pink here and then pink on the windows. Like this you will color this house according to the color codes mentioned here. Okay. So please complete this house using different color codes. Now I will see you in the next class. Till then, keep practicing and keep learning about house. Now, happy learning everyone. Take care. Bye bye.